How to turn on car mode in Spotify. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. Currently, Spotify is one of the most popular music streaming apps. If you want to use its service while you are on a ride, then here's how to enable car mode in Spotify. Open settings on your device and tap on Bluetooth. Here you will see the list of all previously connected devices along with the devices near you. Locate your car's name and go ahead and connect the device. Once connected, open Spotify on your device and on the top right of your screen you will see the gear-like icon. Tap on that and then select the car option there. Here, make sure the toggle button for car mode is toggled on. Toggling this button on will allow car mode to automatically turn on when Spotify connects to your car's Bluetooth. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.